Very good morning to all of you. Today, on the 26th of June 2025, the District Police Thoubal has arranged for a bike rally to observe International Day Against Drugs and Illicit Trafficking. As we all know, this was started by the United Nations General Assembly after a resolution which was adopted in 1987. Here we want to give a message. It is not just a bike rally but also a message to the youth that they are not alone in the fight against drugs. Considering the unique geography of Manipur, which has made it vulnerable to drug use and drug trafficking, the police does enforce the NDPS Act strictly, and there are multiple arrests and seizures. Even this week, Thoubal police has made seizures of WY tablets, which shows the menace that we are facing and our youth is facing. This is just the culmination of the 1 week full of awareness programs that we have had at police station levels. We have had different round of meetings and awareness programs at police station levels throughout the week, and we culminate that awareness week with this bike rally today. And we want to give the message to the youth that you are not alone in this fight against drugs, and we see cooperation from different parts of the society and different people of the society so that we can make Manipur drug free, as well as stop the routes and for trafficking that is being used from cross border, as well as the internal drug trafficking that is happening through various different hotspots in Manipur. And we all know that Thoubal district is also infamous for being one of the hotspots for drug trade, because we are right in the center of the drug trade. And with this, we appeal to all the youths, please come forward with any information you have on drugs, as well as if you need any assistance, approach the nearest police station, and we will do whatever we can. We will create more awareness programs, as well as with the help of district administration and district social welfare officer who is here standing with us today. We will support the youth in trying to make Manipur a drug-free society. Thank you.
26 June 2025, to mark the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking 2025. The District Police Thoubal, and in coordination with the other department, the District Welfare Department, they are organizing this bike rally to create awareness to the people to go against drug, to undo the menace of this drug abuse. And I would like to appeal to all the people of Thoubal district to reaffirm ourselves with the saying no to drugs and yes to life. Thank you so much.
We realize that
drug abuse is increasing in our country, especially among the youth, and this is a matter of concern. We pledge that we will cooperate in stopping the drug abuse. We promise that we will not consume any harmful or illegal drugs in any way for any purpose. We will create awareness about the ill effects of drug abuse by encouraging every person, especially the youth, so that the youth of India can live drug free, and they can become creative and important members of the society. Today we pledge that we will stay away from drugs and live a healthy life.
Bago ikaw naman siya ba?
Ready.
Sila yung ako. Sila yung gano'n eh.
가운데 잘 타겠다고요.